Governor-elect Ajay Madan, galaxy of past district governors, past presidents, Rotarians, Rotractors, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. We have gathered today for the launch of monthly bulletin impressions to be edited and published by a very senior Rotarian of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown and a leading prosthetic and orthotic professional of Chandigarh, Dr. Vijay Swara. To start this event, I would request Rotarian Renu Chopra to invoke the blessings of Almighty through invocation. I'll just unmute you. Yes, ma'am.
A very good evening to all. Friends, we all have seen people performing roadside shows. Some like the monkeys show, the bear show, people walking across two poles on the rope. I would like to say a small story about a person who was walking between two tall towers on a rope, balancing himself with a tall stick with a small child on his shoulder. Many people were watching him and all were tensed. How this man will be able to cross the rope with a small child on his shoulders. When he reached the other end, everyone cheered him up, everyone clapped him, everyone applauded him. Prompt came the question from the man who walked across. He said, "Are you all happy that I walked across the first tower to the second tower?" Everyone said yes. He asked them, "Do you trust that I can walk from this end to the other end again?" They said, "Yes, we can." He asked them a question. "Will any one of you give your small child to me to carry on my shoulder to walk across this tower safely?" No one replied. No one said, "We will give our child to you." Everyone was quiet. Friends, belief is different. Trust is different. We all need to surrender ourselves completely to have trust, which we all are lacking. We have to trust in whatever we are doing, in all our activities, in all our actions, whatever we do, we must trust. We have to trust fully, only then we can be successful. That is what I wanted to say today. We believe, but we have to trust also. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Before proceeding further, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Prakash Mehta, who has been recently elected as the president of IART. This is an independent body of prosthetics and orthotics nationally. Welcome, Mr. Mehta. Nice seeing you. I welcome AG designates Pankaj Pandey and Rotarian Rajesh Bansal, who would be officially acting as assistant governors next year. And Brigadier D.S. Dhillon is always there. He's a very senior Rotarian. Welcome, Brigadier Dhillon. And we have our president, Rotarian Sanjay Bhatia, who is serving President Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown. Rotractors Arundhati is there, Harshit is there. And other than that, Mr. D.S. Bali is there. And Rotarians from Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown, President-elect Salil Chopra ji is there. So we have a very good attendance. Thank you all for coming. Without taking much time, I'll come to the point. Nirbhav Nirvair means...
Salil,
Sir?
Salil, I'm interrupting you.
Sir?
We have PDG Dr. Vinay Sana with us.
Welcome, PDG.
He's a prosthetic doctor.
Welcome to the program. We are very happy that you could make it and you acceded to our request, sir. And without taking much time, we'll move forward. Nirbhav Nirbhair is the theme of this unique bulletin, which is going to be published and is going to come out very soon. And now I would request past President Rotarian Dr. Vijay Swara to tell the audience about the upcoming bulletin and what is the concept and the background of the same. Over to you, Dr. Vora, please.
Thank you, Salil. Thank you very much. I would like to, before I proceed further, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
I want to thank our our immediate past president and upcoming Rotarian in the district level also, Rotarian Salil Bali. In fact, this meeting that we are seeing attending today, it is his initiative. He has not only hosted it, but he has taken all interest to make this meeting alive. And thanks to him, we have a gathering of over 50 people. Thank you, Salil. And I would also like to thank Anup. Anup, are you there? Anup?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. I would like to thank Anup for bringing this bulletin live on the internet on my website, navedak.com. So I already shared the link with you. So I would also like to thank all those present. Chief guest Rotarian Ajay Madan, my prosthetic orthotic clinicians friends, friends like Dr. Brigadier Dhillon is there. In spite of his birthday, once again I wish him a happy birthday. And I have my relatives also there. From Ita's in-laws also, Ita's brother-in-law has joined, Anjan, and Anjan's nephew has joined, Kosta has joined from Germany. I'm expecting Mohan Khera also. He is not yet come. Maybe he'll join. Yes, hello? No.
Hello, Dr. Vora. This is Mohan Khera from Nottingham.
Oh, yes, welcome. I was just saying Mohan Khera is not there. Welcome, Mohan. You'll see your friends here now.
Wish you.
Uncle, we cannot hear you. You're on mute.
Yes, now I'm audible. I'm audible
Yes.
now.
Yes.
The concept of this bulletin impression had come to my mind ever since I'm editing the bulletin of Rotary Club Chandigarh Midtown for last 12 years. And that bulletin is not only my single effort, but it is the effort of all Rotarians of my club who have been sending me the data in time. I've been a district editor also of the district, but that was a very unique experience also with past district governor Ramana Neja. He was also to join. I think he will be joining anytime now. When I thought of starting my own bulletin, so I was thinking what name should be there. So it came to my mind impression. In Hindi, I think impression will be prabhav. Okay? It is opinion or an idea about something or someone. When I thought about this, so I thought, who is this something? Then I thought this something is the P&O professionals who are doing the work for the disabled. That something came to my mind. We are taking care of disabled people and fitting them artificial limbs, and there are a number of assistive devices also, which prosthetic orthotic professionals are doing, and there are physiotherapists, there are other occupational therapists, doctors, and they are taking care of all these patients. So that is the something that has come to my mind. The other something that has come to my mind is the Rotarians. What work we do. We come from different professions, different business, and we all get together on one platform, that is Rotary, and we work together for the good of the mankind. So that is what Rotary is. That also comes to my mind. And both, like I am in this profession for last 48 years, and I am a Rotarian for last 25 years. And so combining both together, it really means something great for me. So that is why this bulletin impression has come in, so that I can convey my impressions about my profession and about being a Rotarian through this bulletin. Now, coming to remembering my father, who was a known, he was the pioneer and the founder of modern prosthetic orthotics in India. He was trained in UK and Germany, and when he came he was trained in, he had gone around in 1946, 47. When he returned to India, the partition had taken place. And for most of my P&O colleagues, it will be interesting for you to know that this artificial limb center was supposed to come in Lahore. But since partition had taken place and my father being an Indian, the Pune, the center shifted to Pune only because the barracks were available there. So that is how it came to Pune, and I was born in Pune only. Otherwise, I would have born in Lahore if there was no partition. Later on, my father started this Navajak Prosthetic Center in Chandigarh in 1973, and I joined him right from the beginning. And he sent me to the places where he was trained. That is in England and Germany, in Ottobock. Ottobock, I'm proud to be a Ottobock consultant because having been trained in Ottobock, now I am the probably only consultant in whole of the country who is a consultant with Ottobock. And Amit Gulati was also Amit Mukherjee. Sorry, Amit Gulati is there. Amit Mukherjee was to join us, the director of Ottobock, but he is having some spinal problem and he's on bed rest. So I will every month be sharing my experience joining Rotary and disability empowerment and assistive devices together. So I would also like to thank the large number of Rotarians, P&O professionals and friends and relatives who have sent me very inspiring messages, which is out in the bulletin. And I would like to name everybody. The message on the launch of Impressions. Our own Rotary, past Rotary International President, most of you, whether you are Rotarians or not, you must have heard about him. He is Rotarian Rajinder K. Sabu. He has sent me a very encouraging, inspiring message. Then Dr. Amit Mukherjee, the director of Ottobock, he also has also sent me a very good message. He was close to my father also when he joined this profession. Then Rotarian Ramesh Bajaj, the current district governor, and the current chief guest, Rotarian Ajay Madan, he's also inspired me a lot with this beautiful message. Our own BDG Shaju Peter, he has written a very lovely, very encouraging letter from Cochin. And the language is, everybody knows about his oration and his writing skills. Then Rotarian Raman Aneja, past district governor 2016-17. Shaju was district governor in 2007-8. And Raman Aneja was district governor in 2016-17 when I joined him as a district editor also. Then another message has come from the current host, Rotarian Salil Dev Singh Bali. He is the assistant governor for 21-22. And he, like I told you, he is the person behind the show today. Our senior most past president, B.L. Ramsisaria, our Bishama Pita, and Rotarian Dr. Balram Gupta, our past president. He's also written me a beautiful letter and he has explained in that what Nirbo Nirvaya is. He has said it is no fear and no hate. And he says that this expression is that there's no malice towards anybody. Then our own current president, Sanjay Bhatia, another very encouragement for me. And then coming to past district governor, Dr. Vinay Kumar Asthana. He is the past district governor 2017-18 of Rotary District 3110. Thank you. Thank you, Asthana ji. Encouraging word. Now it comes, now we have Dr. Vinod Banti, Senior Prosthetic Orthotic Clinicians and past president of Rotary Club of Patna. He was very close to my father. He was the current organization is known as OPAI. Earlier it was known as OPSI, Orthotic Prosthetic Society of India. Now it is known as Orthotic Prosthetic Association of India. My father was the president and Dr. Vinod Bhanti was the secretary, and he is like a family member to us. My brother-in-law, Major General R.S. Chopra, he has also written a very encouraging words for me. Our evergreen assistant governor, past president, Dr. Rita Kalra. She has also given a very inspiring note. And then from Wallington Park, Nottingham, Rotarian Mohan Khara, he has joined us, and I'm very grateful to him that he has joined us today. And Dr. Neeraj Saxena, immediate past president of OPAI, Orthotic Prosthetic Society of India. Mr. R.C. Sethi, he is Inspector General of Police, and he has been my patient also during the time when my father was there. If you remember, there was a bomb blast during the terrorism time in Ludhiana, and because of him, the Director General of Police was saved, and his one leg was amputated. So ever since he is wearing artificial leg, nowadays he is wearing artificial leg from Autobahn. My another brother-in-law, Dr. Colonel Paramjit Singh from Army Medical Corps. He is a renowned microbiologist. He also has encouraged me a lot. Then I have also received an inspiring mail from Commodore Sodaram Silva from Sri Lankan Navy. He had come to me about 20 years back with a patient, and he says that he will recommend anybody to me for fitting of artificial limbs, and he has called me a Maharaja of Chandra. I don't know how he termed me as a Maharaja. Now, coming to the last one, that is, you will always remember the person who introduced you to Rotary. My case, it is Rotarian T.S. Anand, Tochi of us, past president of our club, and he is also a great motivator for me. I would like to thank you, all these people who have written such a beautiful mail to me, and I would ever be grateful to them. Thank you. Back to Salil.
Thank you, Dr. Vora. We are sure that this bulletin is going to be Nirbho Nirbhair in truest sense. Now, taking it forward, this is a special request from Dr. VJS Vora, because my father, Mr. D.S. Bali, and Dr. Vora, they have mutual admiration. Dr. Vora admires my father for his Shero Shairi, and my father admires Dr. Vora for his editorial and publishing skills. So this program has, the only 2-3 minutes program has specially been designed because Dr. Vora insisted upon that. Now I would request Mr. D.S. Bali Daman to entertain the audience with motivational shairi. Please, sir, over to you.
Before your father comes, I would like to thank him. D.S. Bali sir, I am very grateful to you that you have helped us.
इस हसीन शाम और मौका, मैं दो अल्फाज का इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. ये हसीन शाम और मौका, जबकि डॉक्टर VJS वोरा साहब अपना माहनामा इम्प्रेशन लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, मैं अपनी खुशी का इजहार करता हूँ. जनाब डॉक्टर वोरा साहब की जहनियत और खूबियों की झलक मैंने आपके हफ्तावार मैगजीन चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउन में देखी है, और उससे साफ यहाँ है कि वो कितनी मेहनत और मुशक्क़त करते होंगे जब वो एडिट कर रहे होंगे. और मैं बखूबी कह सकता हूँ कि बुलेटिन जो वो लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं, इंशाअल्लाह वो ना सिर्फ कामयाब होगा बल्कि बुलंदियों पर सफ़र करेगा. मुझे बताया गया है कि वोरा साहब के बुलेटिन का थीम निर्भव निर्वैर बहुत अच्छा थीम है, और इस थीम पे मुझे सलिल जी ने कहा कि कुछ लिखिए, चंद सतरात मैंने लिखी हैं जो पेशे पे खदमत कर रहा हूं, उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आएंगी। निर्भव निर्वैर, कितने अच्छे अल्फाज हैं गुरु नानक साहब के, जपजी साहब के निर्भव निर्वैर, अकाल मूरत अजूनी साहब अंकुर प्रसाद, जब हाथ सच जुगा सच है भी सच, नानक उसी भी सच। तो अर्ज करता हूं डॉक्टर साहब की, दहक जाओ आलम में अंगारों की तरह, दहक जाओ आलम में अंगारों की तरह, छा जाओ फलक पे सितारों की तरह। दहक जाओ आलम में अंगारों की तरह, छा जाओ फलक पे सितारों की तरह, तौहीद की माला में मोती परोकर। तौहीद यूनिटी को कहते हैं, वननेस। जनाब वोरा साहब ने, जो मैं अक्सर पढ़ता हूँ ये इनका मैगजीन जो चंडीगढ़ मिगटान में, उसमें झलक यही दिखती है, वो हमेशा वननेस की बात करते हैं। तो उसमें अर्ज किया है, तौहीद की माला में मोती परोकर, रखो सीना वसी पहाड़ों की तरह, रखो सीना वसी पहाड़ों की तरह। मैं यहां अर्ज करना चाहूंगा कि शख्सियत डॉक्टर साहब की सिर्फ अपने महाशा में कामयाबी नहीं, बल्कि अदब में भी ये महारत रखते हैं। और माशाअल्लाह जब ये बुलेटिन मंजर-ए-आम पे आएगा तो पहला मैं शख्स हूँगा और मैं खुशनसीब होऊंगा कि डॉक्टर साहब मुझे इसका शर्फ बख्शें कि उसका मैं सब्सक्राइबर पहला मुझे बनाएं। बड़ी खुशी होगी मुझे। तो मैं एक चंद और सतरात लेकर आपके सामने पेश करके अपना ये खत्म करूंगा। डॉक्टर साहब, सब्र तोअम्मल न कभी खोना, सब्र तोअम्मल न कभी खोना, फख्र है हमें रोटेरियन होना। सब्र तोअम्मल न कभी खोना, फख्र है हमें रोटेरियन होना। किसी गरीब के बहते हुए आंसू, किसी गरीब के बहते हुए आंसू, खुश नसीबी के आप से धोना। कोई गरीब अगर आंसू बहाता दिखे तो अपने खुश नसीब, जो आपके खुश नसीबी का जो आपके पास पानी है, ये जो आपके अदब है, इससे उसके आंसू धो देना। बस इस दुआ के साथ मैं ये खुदा से दुआ करूंगा कि आपका बुलेटिन कामयाब हो, बुलंदियों पर हो और दिन रात तरक्की करता जाए। और जैसे मैंने अर्ज की कि मुझे सब्सक्राइबर पहला बनाना कभी ना भूलना, ये मेरी आपसे इल्तिजा। शुक्रिया, मेहरबानी, आदाब।
थैंक यू बली सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच, वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। आप तो सब्सक्राइबर मेरे दिल से हो।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, moving forward, time to launch has come. I would request DGE Ajay Madan to formally launch the bulletin. The link of bulletin is there in the group as well as in your private WhatsApp accounts. Now, I would request DG Ajay Madan to click the link on his mobile and go to the link and show it on the screen, and we all will follow that. Kindly. It is there in the group in your WhatsApp private messages. Once the chief guest launches it, we also have to click the link and then we have to show it on the screen. Kindly do that, please, kindly. So this is the formal launch. Everybody has on the group, kindly do it, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the launch. And we
Salil, you have only 4 minutes left for this meeting.
Sir, वो upgrade कर दिया मैंने, no issues. कर दिया मैंने. Now I would request DG Ajay Madan to give his address about the event. Kindly, please.
Thank you, Salil. And I'm really thankful to you for inviting me here to launch this magazine, this bulletin by Dr. Vora. I first of all thank Dr. Bali uncle rather. बाली अंकल थैंक यू वेरी मच. मैंने पहले भी आपको सुना था और आपने जो लास्ट में वो रोटेरियन वाली बात कही वो दिल को छू गई. Thank you very much that you are here and you always inspire all the Rotarians with your Shero Shairi. And I hope this will continue. Your support, your blessing will continue with all of us. Dr. Vora is a gem of person. बहुत बार जब रोटरी की मीटिंग्स में इनको देखते हैं, he is here and there with his camera clicking every time. और बहुत बार लोग मजाक भी करते हैं कि वोरा जी के कैमरे में आ जाओ तो आपकी अच्छी सी पिक आपके वो चंडीगढ़ मिड टाउनर में आ जाएगी. एंड दिस इज द डेडिकेशन बेसिकली जो प्रोफेशनली वो करते हैं रोटरी के लिए, डिसेबल्ड लोगों के लिए, और प्लस जो इनकी जो एडिटोरियल कैपेबिलिटीज हैं. एंड फॉर इयर्स every time when award function of Rotary International District 3080 happens to be there, and we used to announce best club bulletin award. And I don't think in last 8 to 10 years any other club or any other editor, club editor got this award. So this is the thing which Dr. V.J.S. Vora have possessed the editorial capabilities which we see in the Chandigarh Mid-Towner. And believe me, I am involved since last 3 to 4 years with the award ceremonies of district. We don't have any comparison. We don't have to think over it कि कोई और किससे comparison किससे करे Chandigarh Mid-Towner. And this is the thing, this is the editorial capacity of Dr. Vora. We don't have any comparison. We don't have any competition rather for the Club Bulletin Award. We don't have to think even for a second that is there any person. बहुत बार होता है हम सोचते हैं यार बहुत बार हर बार डॉक्टर वोरा को देते हैं अवार्ड, लेट्स सी, बट वी डोंट हैव any club bulletin which is as, not to say as good as of Chandigarh Mid-Towner. I think any nearby competition भी उस club bulletin का कभी हमने नहीं देखा. Hats off to you, sir, for doing all these editorial capabilities of Chandigarh Mid-Towner we had seen. And my best wishes for these impressions. When Salil called me up that you are going to release this bulletin, I just said, why this impressions? Chandigarh Mid-Towner is going very well. वहाँ वो वही काम कर रहे हैं. What is the difference between these two? तो मेरे को जब उन्होंने ये निर्भोर का वाला आइडिया दिया, and then he told me कि इसमें beyond Rotary वो कुछ चीजें लेके आना चाहते हैं. So my best wishes to you, Dr. Vora, and keep on doing the good work for this editorial work plus the work you are doing for Rotary. And I hope the next year when I will be leading the district, you will be asset to me. Thank you very much to you, and thank you, Dr. Bali, for this Shero Shari, and thank you, Salil, for all the respect you give to me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, DG Madan. अजय मदान जी आपने बहुत ही encourage किया मेरे को. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now I would request Dr. Balram Gupta to propose vote of thanks, please.
Thank you, Salil. My Rotary family, a short and crisp launch of Impressions, a monthly bulletin being brought out by a club bulletin expert, past President Dr. V.J.S. Vora. While launching the bulletin, District Governor-elect Ajay Madan declared Dr. Vora that he is an asset to Rotary, that he is unmatchable and incomparable in the domain of bulletin. Thank you so much, our incoming Rotary leader of District 3080. I also take this opportunity to thank senior advocate and a senior colleague, and above all, a friend of Rotary, Shri D.S. Bali. What a Urdu couplet with which he blessed Dr. Vora to continue with his efforts in connecting Rotary and his profession, serving humanity in that process. Thank you so much. My thanks to Renuji for invoking the blessings of God so meaningfully. Past President Salil Bali, we know your skills. You are known for that in executing different Rotary events. Thank you so much. This event would not have been possible but for my dear friend Sunny Vora. My association with him goes back to the year 1975. Personally and professionally, I have enjoyed this togetherness of more than 45 years. Thank you for conceiving and executing this idea of a monthly bulletin, connecting Rotary with your profession. We all know the rich contribution that has been made by your father. This is dedicated to his memory for that matter. My thanks to one and all who were part of this particular event, from the club, from outside the club, and beyond the country as well. My expression of gratitude to one and all. Thank you so much.